So we have the final piece to the Sony Zv-1 build, and that's going to be the L bracket by Smallrig. Part number is 2936. And again, guys, this unboxing is really simple. It's very straightforward. No instructions in the box. All you're going to get is an Allen key, and you're going to get the actual bracket itself. All right. So just a couple of quick things I wanted to talk about in regards to this bracket is, number one, I didn't think I would like the bracket because of the wooden handle, because I'm just not a fan of that like wood grain look. But once I actually put it on the Zv-1 and I actually really looked at it, I was kind of blown away by it. I said it really complements the Zv-1 real well. And to be honest with you, the feel in the hand with this grip, this wooden grip, it just makes the Zv-1 feel that much better in your hands, because we know the Zv-1 grip is non-existent. So, you know, putting this on it just extends that grip, and it gives you a little bit more control over the Zv-1. It's a very simple little install. All you do is put the Zv-1 in it, screw it to the bottom, and you're good to go. A couple of things I like about it is the fact that you still have a little cold shoe at the bottom. Got tons of screw holes so that you can mount a lot of other things to it. And the main thing is that you have access to your battery door so that you can, you know, replace the battery and you can get to your memory card without having to remove it from the tripod and all of that stuff. So that's always going to be a positive for these types of brackets. And again, like I said, very easy to install. No instructions in the box. All you do is screw it to the bottom of the Sony Zv-1 and you well on your way. And as you can see, like I said, this bracket complements the Zv-1 really well. I don't know what it is about that little wooden grip. I swear I thought I was not gonna like it. I wasn't a fan of that wood grain look, but once I put it on the Zv-1, I started looking at it and just getting that feel for it in my hand. I said, oh, this is really nice. I'm kind of glad they made this. But as you can see, you can get to your battery and you can get to this memory card, just like I said. So that's like really, like, that's over the top. That's like a huge plus for this bracket in general, right? But one of the main reasons why we needed it, like I said in the beginning, is because we needed to be able to mount the newer lens to the Zv-1. And I wanted to still be able to fit everything else with the Zv-1, and with the cage that I originally had, it wouldn't fit. So as you can see here, it fits perfect with this actual bracket here. And all you do is tighten this thing up, and then we can start putting everything back together. So in the next video, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together so that we can kind of talk about it as we go. Put it together so you guys can see it. Now, I've already been trying to tinker around with it, and I found a lot of different ways I can kind of rig this thing up with the pieces that I have. But for now, in the next video, I'm gonna show you the way that I'm gonna be going forward using this small rig that I've kind of created with the Zv-1. Just so that we can kind of do a little bit more cinematic stuff, take better photos, you know, just try to get into the camera aspect just a little bit, you know, dig a little bit deeper into the Zv-1 so that, you know, when I maximize this thing, me moving to the next camera, at least I'll know that, you know, I maximized my Zv-1 and got every single ounce of quality I can get out of this thing before I move up. You know what I mean? So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, Smallrig bracket, the wooden bracket. Go take a look at their website, man. They got a lot of things for the Sony Zv-1. All right, see y'all in the next one.